Okay, these bees are swarming. I don't know if you can hear it or not. And there's all thousands of bees up in the air. I looked out the window and noticed bees up in the air, and this is pretty crazy. So I don't think there's any stopping them now. Hard to see them, but there's lots of bees in the air. All coming from that hive. Okay, and it's like 10 minutes later, all the action is gone from this beehive, and the bees are accumulating. Let's see, right up there. You can't see it from here. You can see it on the other side. They didn't go very far, just went up and are perched in a tree up, maybe out of reach. And these guys just going about their business. Well, here's Juice and I getting ready to try to recover. Let's see, where is it? Okay, right there is my swarm. Decided it was time to go.
And they went.
So we're going to try to climb this ladder and get the swarm down. There's Greg. What do you give our chances of success?
I'm confident. I'm going to give it an 88.8%.
Wow. Okay. Okay, there's the swarm, there's the ladder. I'm giving it a 15%.
15? That's too low. But,
well, that didn't work. So the moral is, you need to be able to reach it. There's the swarm. Right over there. So here we are about 3 hours later, and the bees have remained up in the tree right above me here. Let's see if we have anybody in here. Yeah, nobody here. Get in there. We got one bee in there. And there's a couple of ways to look at it. One is that you just lost a whole bunch of bees. The other is that we're propagating bees out into the wild, and that's all good. So here's one flying around me now. Anyway, I'll give you a quick peek at the bees in the swarm right above me, 3 hours after the swarm. There they are, 30 feet up, really happy, waiting for their new home.